Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are someone with oily skin and looking for makeup products that would not break the bank, you are the right place. Today I will be sharing a list of makeup products under 500 that are perfect for controlling shine and giving a flawless look. Let's get started the video. The first step in any makeup routine is good primer. For oily skin, I recommend it. First one is Blue Heaven Flawless Makeup Base Primer. It's lightweight and mattify the skin and costs around 300 to 400. Second one is Swiss Beauty Pearl Primer. This one smooth your skin and control oil and price under 500. Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer Mini. It's just $2.99 and give a matte finish while minimizing pore. For foundation, you want something that control oil and lasts long. Here are my top picks. Maybelline Fit Me Plus Poreless Foundation Mini. It's just $2.99 to $3.99 and provides medium coverage with a matte finish. Second one is Lakme 925 Primer Plus Matte Perfect Cover Foundation. Price at $4.99. It's a 2-in-1 product with primer and foundation. Inside Ultra Thin Second Skin Foundation. This one is super lightweight and costs $200 to $300. This foundation are perfect for oily skin and budget friendly. Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer, price $230 to $299. It's smooth application and long wear. Second one is Blue Heaven HD All-in-One Concealer Stick, price $150 to $200. Budget friendly and mattifying. Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Compact Powder, price $199 to $249. Control shine and sets makeup. Lakme Sun Expert Ultra Matte Compact SPF 40, price $249 to $299. Oil free with sun protection. Blue Heaven Flawless Finishing Powder, price $150 to $200. Keep skin matte and smooth. Inside Cosmetic Blusher, price $90 to $120. Lightweight and non-greasy. Blue Heaven Shimmer Matte Blush, price $150 to $200. Affordable with a smooth finish. Swiss Beauty Luster Eyeshadow Plate, price $160 to $230. Inside Cosmetic Glow Highlighter, $182 to $225. Swiss Beauty Makeup Fixer Nasal Spray, price $250 to $350. Refresh and sets makeup. Blue Heaven Makeup Fixer Spray, price $200 to $250. Mattify and prolongs makeup wear. Marsh Creamy Matte Lipstick, price $185 to $199. Blue Heaven Instant Matte Lipstick, price $90 to $100. L18 Colourpop Matte Lip Color, price $90 to $110. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.